Struggling to save money? Living paycheck to paycheck? The 50-30-20th rule is a simple and effective budgeting strategy that can change your financial future. In this video, I'll break it down step by step and show you how to manage your money like a pro. Most people don't track their spending, and that's why they struggle with saving. The 50-30-20th rule is an easy formula that makes budgeting simple and stress-free. Whether you make $1,000 or $10,000 a month, this strategy works for everyone. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to apply this rule and take control of your finances. Know what is the 50-30-20 rule and how it works. 50% needs: rent, utilities, groceries, insurance, transportation. 30% wants: eating out, Netflix, shopping, hobbies, vacations. 20% savings and debt repayment, emergency fund, investments, paying off debt. It's that simple. Now let's break down each category in detail. Step 1. 50% for needs. Needs are the essentials, things you absolutely must pay for: rent or mortgage, utility bills, electricity, water, and internet, groceries, insurance, health, car, home, transportation, gas, car payment, public transit. Pro tip: if your needs are more than 50% of your income, try cutting unnecessary expenses like downgrading your phone plan or negotiating rent. Step 2. 30% for wants. Wants are things that make life enjoyable but aren't necessary. Restaurants and takeout, subscriptions, Netflix, Spotify, gym memberships, shopping, clothes, gadgets, travel, and entertainment. The key is balance. Enjoy your money, but don't overspend. Step 3. 20% for savings and debt. This is the most important part. Your future. Emergency fund: 3 to 6 months of expenses. Investment stocks, retirement accounts, index funds. Paying off high-interest debt, credit cards, student loans. Pro tip: if you can save more than 20%, do it. The more you invest early, the faster your wealth grows. Step 4. How to apply the 50-30-20th rule. Let's say you make $4,000 per month after taxes, $2,000 50% for needs, $1,200 30% for wants, $800 20% for savings and debt. Track your spending with apps like Mint or YNAB to stick to your budget. Final tips and call to action: adjust the percentages if needed. If you have low expenses, save more. Stay consistent. The more you follow this rule, the faster you'll reach financial freedom. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more money tips, and let me know in the comments what's your biggest financial goal.